Hey everyone, welcome to episode 9 of the Chii Diaries. I just wanted to announce that I have officially hit an overall views of 100,000 for my entire channel of my YouTube. I'm editing right now, but I wanted to add in that I am so grateful for the 100,000 views. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. But guess what? I'm sitting here worried about how we're going to replace our vacuum cleaner. People tend to think that when things start to get rolling online, that your life just magically changes. But here's the thing, it doesn't. I'm still working on monetization. So right now, I'm literally just building this brick by brick. And I know that it'll all come together. I know that this will become the ChiiVerse. Just watch. Like, I just made a song today, which I'm so proud of myself because I finally got back in the flow state and actually made a full song that I am so proud of. But it like just goes to show, even though you might be like doing better online and stuff, it doesn't mean that everything else always aligns the same. But I know that everything is gonna work out exactly how it should be. I don't know, man. I just caught the blues.
Stuck in the motions, stuck in the moment. Wonder when it's time for me to truly own it. Learning myself, internal validation. Now it seems I'm only waiting for the universe to catch up to what I'm saying.
Okay, so that was just a little snippet of what I was just working on today, so you guys get a little appetite of what is coming next, what is coming soon. Keep it on your mind, okay? Well, thanks for watching episode 9 of the Chii Diaries. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on the notification bells to get notified every time I post, which is every Sunday at 7 p.m. Eastern. Thanks for listening to my TED Talk. Welcome to the ChiiVerse. Are you ready for liftoff?